leaving on my mind, love. Wanna fly like a lonesome dove. Until the troubles with you, they fade to a blue mirage. You say there's gonna be a showdown. I won't be here at sundown. One thing I do well, get the hell out of Dodge. Your words ricochet around my head. Might as well be slinging lead. Well, I'm a son of a gun if I can stand more than one barrage. Already two of my amigos died, my dignity and my manly pride. Let them lay where they fell, get the hell out of Dodge. I won't hang around this old cow town if you don't want me anymore. 'Cause I don't need nothing I can't find behind those swinging doors. They're going away until the lock gets here. I take a names and kicking you nowhere. Well, there's a hanging judge with a trumped up charge. I've seen the writing on the fence rail, heard the call down the lonesome trail. Clear as a bell, get the hell out of Dodge. Put leaving on my mind, love. Wanna fly like the lonesome dove. Until the troubles with you, they fade to a blue mirage. You say there's gonna be a showdown. I won't be here at sundown. There's one thing I do well, get the hell out of Dodge. Yeah, one thing I do well, get the hell out of Dodge. Thank you all very much.